it's time for America's messiest game show, Slime Time, and here's your host, Guy himself.
Thank you, Caribou. Hey kids, welcome to Slime Time. Slime Time involves Slime Time, the messiest game show on all of cable TV. We give people opportunities to win thousands of dollars in fabulous prizes. But watch out, if the game doesn't feel well, you could get slimed. Let's get the fun on the roll. Carol, who's our first contestant?
Well, Guy, today our contestant is a very special person. Someone that is close to you. Someone you haven't seen in a very long time.
Oh my, is it great grandpa from Oregon?
No, it's your brother, Bud himself.
Did you say my brother?
Yes, this will.
Hello, Guy. You look well.
Thank you, Bud. So do you. Good to see you. Since
The game show audience.
Yeah.
This was supposed to be my job. I didn't think you wanted to host a game show. You told me that you were auditioning for the soap opera.
Yeah, but in all fairness, hosting a game show, it's kind of been like hosting an opera.
That's true. That's very true.
Did you get the gift they sent you?
Yes, I got the shrub.
Good.
It was very nice strawberry. So were all the other ones you sent?
All 247 of them?
Yes, and the 247 notes of apology were nice too. Apology.
I was hoping you would like them. I was hoping maybe you forgive me.
I was pretty upset with you, Guy. Instead of hosting the game show and giving prizes and money, I've been traveling to state fairs. I'm selling cookware for honors, pots, and pans. I do five demonstrations a day for honors, new, no stick, all aluminum kitchenware.
Sweet gig.
Not really, but it pays the bills.
So, what actually brings you here?
I want to win prizes and money. You don't make a lot selling cookware. Plus, I miss you, Guy.
You do?
Yeah, you're my brother.
But what I did to you, it was so...
I believe the word is slimy.
Yeah.
It was slimy, but I'm not gonna blow up at you. Let's let bygoners be bygoners. The Bible says to live at peace with everyone. And if I can't live at peace with my own brother, what does that make me?
Normal.
I don't want to be normal. I want to be like Christ. And I want to hang out with my brother again.
Bro, I'm sorry.
It's okay, bro. Now let's get on with the prizes and money.
We will, but first we have to take a commercial break. We need some words about the kitchenware from Hannah's Pots and Pans.
No, not more kitchenware.